Okay, so this week, what did I do? Oh, it's not great there. Okay, so Monday, I can't remember really. I think I just went for a jog and meditated and did some bits and bobs. I wasn't in work or anything. I don't usually work on a Monday anyway. Okay. Tuesday, I was working a long time, so I don't really get much time, like a full day and all. I don't really get much time to do stuff. Oh yeah, actually, was it Tuesday? Yeah, I think actually I had to, like I was writing, I was doing a bit of writing and it's difficult to explain, but yeah, it's doing, like, I was studying about the vegan proteins and everything, and like how vegan proteins, like, what's the, like, people say, oh, like, vegan proteins, like, like, vegan, like, if you're eating a vegan diet or anything, vegetarian or especially vegan, like, are they missing, like, if you're lifting weights or something, would you be missing in essential, like, essential, is there something, are they incomplete? In Google about that, complete and incomplete Google proteins. I need to look at the camera and the lens. Google proteins, and the fact is that, no, sorry, incomplete and complete proteins. And are they not complete vegans? Like, especially if you look at vegan supplements, are they incomplete? But the fact is, like, if you think about, like, whey and all, that's like a protein that contains milk and all. So that's so people consider that complete. But are vegan proteins complete? The fact of the matter is that they are complete because they have, like, vegan proteins have all the essential amino acids, like stuff like tryptophan. I can't remember the rest of the names. I'm not going to search it up now, but yeah, you can check it out on Google or wherever. And yeah, so it has all the essential amino acids. There are 9, okay, there's 20 amino acids and 9 of them are essential. And the other 11 you get naturally. Like, the human body naturally makes it, if that makes sense. But 9 amino acids you have to get through food, through consuming something, through eating, basically. So, the 3 minutes, okay, I'm running out of time. So, sorry, just my brain's gone a bit funny. So, sorry, so yeah, 20 and 9 are essential. Like, essentially you have to get, and a vegan has all those things, and so, like, you're thinking, oh sure, it's missing out on stuff, but in fact it's not really, because, like, if you eat, and people think, oh, you have to combine something to make a full, there's things like, there's articles on Google things, and but, like, the fact of the matter is that if you research and all, and there's been studies done and the sources on it, that, like, people think you have to mix rice then with beans to make a full complete protein, and some supplements have that. But if you're eating that type of food, you don't really need it, because you only really need it because once you have it during the day at some stage, because your body is able to store protein for up to 48 hours, I think. I don't know, that mightn't be definitely true, but in what I know of, and it's what I've studied and researched myself, so I don't know for definite. That's just kind of like, but, like, that stuff about the essential amino acids though is the true part, and so you don't need the other stuff, and you don't need to eat them at the same meal. It's just once you eat them over the course of a day or so, or 48 hours. Okay, well, 2 days. Okay, so anyway, that's 5 minutes. Talk soon. See you, Michael.